Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace your washer's pedestal drawer. The reason why you might have to do this is because the drawer is broken or damaged. For this repair, we'll be using a 1/4 inch nut driver and a Phillips head screwdriver. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this will be the washer that we're using for this demonstration. It's a Kenmore, and keep in mind yours at home might be a little bit different than what we've got here, but the same technique should still apply. We're going to pull it out, and there are 4 screws that hold it in place right along there. So we're going to use our Phillips head screwdriver. And now we're going to use a 1/4 inch nut driver in order to remove the screw on the side here. Now that those screws are off, the whole front panel should just slide right off, like so. And now that we've got the front panel off, we can pull out the entire drawer itself, like so, and we can take out the 2 dividers, and then we can just pull this out and get rid of our old drawer. Now you can grab your new OEM replacement drawer. If you don't have one already, you can find one on our online store. So what you're going to do is we're going to set the drawer down on the slide rails here, and then we're just going to pull it out and make sure we push it all the way in on both sides. Pull the slide rails out and slide them up as far as we can. There we go. Now we'll put our 2 dividers back in. We'll just angle them a little bit, feed them into the slots, and set them all the way down. Now you'll see on the bottom of our drawer here, we've got these 4 slots which line up with the 4 tabs we've got that stick out of our front panel. So we'll line that up, and then once we've got those lined up, we'll push the slide rail back into place and screw that on. And same thing with this side. We're just going to move our slide rail back into place, and we'll screw it in. And now we'll screw the front panel back in with these 5 screws. And now you can close up the drawer and your repair is complete. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.